سيفا بنخيم هناك مع العائلة
3 أيام
و3 أيام بنقص هناك وبنصير مغامرات
بصوركم
تحديات وكل شيء. راح بتتابعوا.
Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? How is everything? A new excitement, a new challenge. We are going today to the Sifah Sea. Watch it on, guys. Faisal, are you excited? What's that supposed to mean?
It's really
You don't sound like excited.
والله تبغى اشغل موسيقى وتعرف اني اكسايتد. طبعا بالعربية ترجمة مترجمة.
لا تتكلم انجليزي. لا
هو انجليزي بس ما مشكلة. والله رايحين وجهتنا للسيفا. بنبات هناك وابك 3 أيام. شوف كيف ضبطت الكاميرا. بنبات هناك 3 أيام وان شاء الله بنصور لكم كامل الاحداث.
انت مرفع وقدام
طشت رجلي عادي متعودين طح كويس. انا رحت مسكت الدايه رجلي طشت.
And we finally arrived, guys. Hello. Hey everyone, hello. After half of building this tent, check it out, guys. This is how it look like. Let's check it from inside. Oh yeah. Jane, what are you doing?
Cleaning.
Are you excited?
Yeah, this is my room.
Which one is your room?
Here, this side. Okay, nice, right?
Yes guys, and now it's time for cooking and we are doing some amazing foods. And then tomorrow morning we show you a great shot, guys. You don't want to miss it. Leave somebody. Oh. That's alright. And here, guys, we build our second tent. Woo! This will be a bonfire for a second also. So guys, enjoy it. And what's up, guys? After we reach here and planning every tent here and all the family members who just arrived, let's show you around, guys.
طلعتنا كده خربتنا حبة فوق حبة تحت حبة فوق حبة تحت يمين شمال شمال يمين يمين شمال
تعالوا لا What's up guys, good morning, and how is your day going? So this morning try to take best shots. Check who's came to visit me, and now they are taking her away. Okay, let's check our breakfast. DJ
ملان؟ نعم هلا هلا
and everyone is already enjoying their time, and now we are heading to the top of the mountains. How's your morning, Fahad?
Good morning, guys.
So guys, we are heading there. Okay, and then we will fly our drone and check this view, guys. Love it. Check it out, guys. We are the only people here. Excuse me, guys. I will close the camera, hide it in my bag. It's for protection. And see you there, guys. Woo! And here I am, guys. Finally arrived. Check it. Let's check the view. And that's my family there. See, everyone is camping, chilling, having fun on the weekend. And here, guys, we end our day. I don't know if the focus is clear because the sun. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I took great videos, but we'll see. And let's head down.